All right, I done took the seats out and the cups today. Went ahead and cleaned up the carpet. Took the console out. I'm getting ready to put everything back in. Wipe some stuff down, clean some stuff off, all that good stuff. You got a lot of color fade on all my plastic, but you can see this interior is in really good shape for it to be 46 years of age. That's the floors and all that. I don't know why I just did that, but anyway, that's what we're going ahead and doing today. We're going ahead and taking all this stuff out, clean it up, put it all back in, and go from there. Finish the body work. Pretty much focus on the outside after this, but had to clean that nasty steering wheel. Yeah, and the car is getting body work done, so I'm doing both. Go ahead and remove all this, strip it all down. I got a lot of thick paint on here. The goal is to get it down to the metal, like this right here. Got it stripped it down, got it smooth right here. I did some sanding right here to get it a little low, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it all the way down to the metal. Original 350 still in here. I want to get rid of that as well, and that 350 turbo transmission. Run good, just ain't powerful like I want it to be. Do get that limited slippery in. I need some power to back it up. Brand new gas tank. Brand new dual exhaust. It's 2.5 inch. And I believe this exhaust was made for a Chevelle or something like that. It tells you on there. I don't know if I can get it all the way, but anyhow, they got it on here, so it's working. And that's what it's gonna be for right now. That seat got some tear in it right there in that back deck. Bring this back though. It's worth it. Power windows. Yeah, let me get back to it and I'll get back with y'all. Just want to show y'all a little something real quick. In a minute.